Hey guys, so today we are at Naughty Nuri, this Indonesian ribs restaurant.
It is, yeah.
In Phuket, Thailand. It's supposed to be really, really good. They do have them in Bali as well, don't they?
They do indeed.
We never went to. We went to Wahaha, which is supposed to be quite similar.
Wahaha has a special place in our heart, that is for sure.
And let's check it out. I know.
And look at these
Little thing.
cages.
What do you think of this place, Ab?
It is so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Part of Honeymoon, like so Honeymoon World, because there's a flying Honeymoon.
Yeah.
But it's basically got zip lines,
And all sorts of jungle
abseiling.
experiences.
Yeah, they've got different platforms you can climb from, like a skywalk thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So pretty.
So the all you can eat is actually supposed to just be on weekdays.
Monday to Friday, yeah.
And we booked in for it by accident, and they kindly let us just do it anyway on the weekend, didn't they? Which was really nice.
Yeah, I know. They didn't have to do that, did they? 'Cause
No.
we could have waited till tomorrow.
We could have, yeah. So they have a menu of ribs and loads of Indonesian pork dishes, and they also have a lamb shank. And most of the big items are actually included in the buffet, aren't they? Which is nuts.
So I don't know if it's everything or.
It's a lot though.
Yeah.
So the lamb shank's there, crazy. Loads of like staple Balinese stuff like nasi goreng and mee goreng, and we started off with the signature ribs, the hickory smoked ribs, Hog Splatter, which is like sausages, pork belly and a little salad. Don't need the salad. Naughty Nuri sexy truffle fries.
Got mashed potato and we've got the cream of spinach
Cheese.
cheesy thing, cheesy spinach.
We
thing.
did, yeah.
What's it called?
Creamy cheese spinach.
Yeah.
And then we just got some sambals. Spicy boys.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
We were waiting all day, we're starving ourselves at this.
I know, all we had is a tuna sandwich.
I know.
We've got this see no evil, hear no evil. Oh no, hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil statue. Which they had at the Sacred Monkey Forest in
Ubud.
Ubud. Yeah. This
Very-
place is so cute.
Very Indonesian themed, isn't it?
Yeah, with like all the hanging like, lights. Anthony's checking to see if they've got any carrot cake on display. Let's see if there is.
No bloody carrot cake.
I knew you were going to check. We don't have it. We haven't found it anywhere in Thailand yet, have we? We managed to find somewhere along
Carrot
Patong, yeah, Patong Beach, like a muffin place that did like a carrot muffin, yeah, which is really good actually.
But not a... It's just heartbreaking. Every little cute cafe in Bali has got bloody carrot cake.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
thank you.
Thank
Wow. Smells so good.
you so much. Doesn't it?
Wow.
Oh, thank you.
So this is the truffle fries, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Captain Cab, thank you so much.
Wow. So there's the that's hot. Mashed potato, creamy cheese, spinach, truffle mayo, fries. This was called...
Hog Splatter, so it's like
Yeah.
pork belly, crackly pork and then sausage.
This was the original one, right?
This is the signature one.
For
and
like
then
$9.95.
This is the smoked hickory.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you got the two types of sambal.
Okay, do you want to tuck in?
Fries, I love them, Sam.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so nice. Oh yeah, mama. Pork belly.
This is like a Wahaha classic, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Wow, look how hench that is. We try it together. Cheers.
Cheers, biggest. You go first. Wow, you one-pieced it. What's that like? No? I love it. Get some appreciation for these ribs quickly.
So shiny, aren't they?
I love it.
What's this like? Oh, that's got a kick to it. This is the porky sambal, isn't it?
Porky sambal, yeah. Quite a taste of Indonesia, that. Obviously.
These are
Pinch ribs, aren't they? Thank you so much. So this one is the... This is the original, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, it just falls off the bone, isn't it? Oh lord. it without the sauce first.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Those are so good, aren't they? I mean, you haven't tried it yet, but...
What do you think compared to Wahaha in Bali?
I don't know, like they're different, you know?
Don't you dare say they're better.
They are really good though. They're really meaty as well, as it was. They're naughty, aren't they? Well, yeah, that's the name of the place, but yeah, they are really, really
I
good.
think they might be better than
Yeah, I didn't want to say.
Oh no.
They taste quite... Ooh. They just look so decadent, don't they? Did you add the sauce with it? What's it like? Bit of a
Pretty
kick
spicy.
to it, isn't it? I don't know what kind of sauce that is.
It's like some smoky,
Smoky,
spicy barbecue.
Oh yeah. I'm looking forward to trying those ones.
Everything's amazing though, isn't it?
Yeah, we didn't talk about the sausage, but it's also very tasty.
It's bad, right?
Very, very good. So this is the
This is smoked hickory.
hickory, yeah. A bit more darker this one, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a lot more like just generally like barbecue, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Very smoky.
Yeah, that's really rich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That is good though.
Like the
I
other
do
one
like the original one though more.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
I think of the first round then, Sabrina.
That was delicious. I don't know how much more I can do, but Anthony's ordered like 4 more dishes, I think.
What did we order? Can you remember?
You got like pork loin,
Pork loin.
you got short rib as well,
Yeah.
another hog splatter.
And then one more sample.
Oh, so it's 3 more dishes.
3 more dishes, yeah.
Yeah.
So the hog splatter, pork loin, and the beef short rib.
I think I prefer the original ones.
The original ribs.
Yeah, they were really good.
I prefer the original ribs over the hickory ones, yeah.
The word I was thinking of was molasses, wasn't it?
Tastes like molasses, yes. That's very
Yeah.
technical, Sabrina.
Yeah, it's just had that like pungent, like rich taste
Rich,
to it.
coat-
and it, like,
coated.
kind of coats your tongue, like your mouth, isn't it?
Mmm.
It's still really good, but I think it's like, it's not like a sweet barbecue smoky taste, is it? It's a bit more like,
Bitter.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is the short rib
Yeah.
with rice and 4 different types of sambal. I'm glad it's smaller than in the picture shown, you know, because it was like...
Smaller in person than it is in the picture.
Yeah. And it doesn't have the bone in it, does it?
No.
Doesn't look like it does.
Might do, never know. And then we've got some more sample. This is like the proper normal one that you see like
Yeah,
everywhere.
what was this one called?
That's called fiery red.
It doesn't say the like
No.
Indonesian version. Yeah, but this is the one you always get at like the warongs, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Looks like it's been cooked for a long while. like in a stew.
I thought you were going to just leave it as it looks like it's being cooked. I was like, I bloody hope
Leave
so.
it on a cooked cliffhanger like that. It's all the steam coming out.
Wow, that is
Water?
one. That sample is the one.
Yeah? You tried that one with it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got the second hog splatter.
Get a bit of my body.
What do you think of that then?
It's really good, yeah, I do like that sambal.
Spicy though, isn't it?
It literally feels like you're eating a stew. Do you know what I mean?
So, Sabrina-rino,
So, the update.
what do you think of everything?
Something super yummy. It's just so much food, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just gotta keep on eating.
To all of our Indonesian subscribers on YouTube, let us know in the comments whether you like Wahaha or Naughty Nuri's better. Because we never tried Naughty Nuri's in Bali, so I'd be interested to find out. Personally, it's Wahaha for me. And for you? Wahaha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then we haven't tried
It in
this
Indonesia.
in Indonesia, but I don't know how
Much you
similar
can-
the menu is.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments.
The battle begins.
Maybe do a poll.
Yeah, Paul, yeah.
We are done.
We are done, yeah. Stuffed.
So I think for the buffet it's
Like a sausage.
I think for the buffet it's $699 for the first person, then $599 for the second person,
Okay.
which is pretty good.
Yeah, well,
Around-
we've had, how many total plates have we had?
7. And I couldn't eat another thing.
No, Yeah.
Buggers.
Yeah. This is the exit now. It's all lit up. It's like Christmas, isn't it? With all the baubles. Good place for a little selfie.
Yeah.
Very, very cute. Very, very cute indeed. Oh, sorry. Alright, let's go. These are some added, needed steps, aren't they, after that meal? Alright, let's go.
Yeah, and the GoPro's just crashed. So that was the second time we've actually filmed that. Yeah, what did you think overall?
It was really tasty, but the thing is, me and Anthony, when we go to buffets, we always eat too much and order too much, and we end up feeling so sluggish and even a bit sick at the end.
Yeah, we were going to go for a skateboard afterwards, but we just can't. We're going to go straight to bed, I think.
Yeah, have a lie down.
I had to go to the toilet for about 5 minutes to compose myself because I felt pretty crappy. And
yeah.
there's a lot of meat, isn't it? And a lot of...
Yeah, it's literally pork. Lots and lots of pork. And a
pork.
couple of sides, pork on top, sausage.
But yeah, any Indonesians, or people that have been to Indonesia and have tried Naughty Nuris and Wahaha, probably Indonesians to be fair, or Balinesians.
Yes.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
Yeah.
Which one's better?
We're interested to see what you guys think.
Yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it.
We'll be coming back to Honeymoon World to do all the adventure stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, stay tuned for that video, guys.
Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed it.
Yeah, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye bye.